Greetings. This is Rob McCray for the Business Building Network and RobMcCrayNetworking.com. And today I want to share a training with you on how to build up your business while using Instagram. Now, I know most people use Instagram to post a bunch of pictures and some short videos, but in this particular training, we're going to be showing you how to find some relevant images for your business and also how to edit these images with some text that's going to bring forth a clear and concise message about your business and what it is that you have to offer. So understand that there are millions of people out on Instagram that are looking for what it is that you have to offer. But you must be able to identify these individuals and get your offer out in front of them. And that's exactly what you're going to be learning on this particular training. But before we go over into that training, I just want to point out some facts to you about Instagram and make you aware of some of the exposure that you can expect to be generating from using this particular social media site. So first and foremost, Instagram was launched back in 2010, and then they were bought out by Facebook in 2012. So as of June of 2018, there are currently over 1 billion users on Instagram each and every month. So that makes Instagram the second most used social media site, second only to Facebook. So now that these two companies are practically merged together, they're using their power to send traffic back to one another. So as a business owner and as a marketer, you must leverage the power of these two companies and use them to get your message across so you can cross market and be able to reach an even broader audience. So the average age range of the Instagram users is from 25 to 34 years old, which is a relatively young audience. But that is the same type of audience that is going to be, um, when they see something of interest to them, they're going to be more willing to take immediate action than an older or more mature audience. So that is something else that you really need to be using to your advantage when using Instagram. So in order to access the training, there's actually a couple of ways you're going to be able to do that. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, on the top right hand corner of this video, you're going to see a rectangular box pop up. You can just click on that box and that's going to redirect you over to my website, and you can click on the link to access the training from there. Or you can go down to the description box below this video on YouTube, and there will also be a link there. You can click on the link and that link will take you directly over to the training. And if you're on any of the other social media sites, there should be a link within that post. You can just click on that link and that should take you over to that training as well. But on Facebook, it's going to be a little different. If you're seeing this video on Facebook, you want to check the comment section below to find that link. The reason being, Facebook does not like to send away traffic from their site. So if I was to put the link in the actual post, then I would not get as much exposure for this particular video that I'm sharing. So that is a totally different training that I'm going to be bringing forth in the very near future, as in regards to Facebook and how to market on Facebook effectively. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to encourage you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link for that as well, because I'm going to be having a great amount of training on different social media sites to get more exposure, to generate more leads and more sales for you and your business. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel so you will be notified of these training videos when they are released, and you can have access to them. Um, so yeah, we just want to do that. I encourage you guys also to like this video if you like the content here, and also leave a comment. I'd love to hear your feedback and get some engagement from you guys, and let me know about some other training information that you would like to hear about. So, with that being said, once again, my name is Rob McCray for the Business Building Network and RobMcCrayNetworking.com. I thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you guys very soon. Take care.